We are going out, but I forgot my glasses, so I'm going back to pick it up. Down. You see that my neighbor, she has never for one day responded to my greetings. I don't know why. I don't know what is wrong with her. I beg, no verse. My Lord, I forgot my glasses. I had already come down, and then I remembered it. I had to go back upstairs. Woo! As if you know. Guys, the weather is so hot today. Like, it's so hot. The AC is on, so I'm enjoying it. Mystery, it's a mystery in the pool of Bethesda. It's a mystery in the pool of Bethesda. It's a mystery in the pool of Bethesda. This has got to be my husband's favorite music at the moment. It's one of our church members that, you know, produced this music, and ever since, my husband has not gotten over it. Like, he plays it everywhere, on TV, on his phone, inside the car too. But I love it so much. So her channel name is Divine Family TV. You guys should go and check her out. Her songs are amazing. Like, she's killing it. For a starter, she's killing it. You guys should go and check her out. Come unto me, he will give you rest. To him, yes, he careth for you. To him, he careth for you. Oh, I love this song. I love this song so much. It's finished. Anyways, guys, I want to, my Lord, please, can you lower small? Anyways, guys, so we are going to the supermarket. I'm going to check out for a new blender. For those of you that are following me on Facebook and my other channel, Jessica Space TV, I'm sure you must have heard me mention that my blender broke down on me. So, my Lord, please lower this thing more for copyright sake. Thank you. So the blender broke down on me, and ever since I've not gotten a new one. I've been using my food processor to do some of the blending, but this particular food I wanted to cook today, it was when I brought out my ingredients to make the food, I remember that, oh, I've not gotten the blender yet. And this particular food, I need to blend it till it's smooth. It's not the one you use a food processor to blend. So we are out here now to see if we can find a new one here in Uniero. We are at Uniero now. You can see that. I hope you can see it. Let's go and check if they have a beautiful one. And see, guys, that my blender has lasted for 8 to 9 years, getting to 9 years now. Like, it has really tried. So it's time to let it go. I've already thrown it away though. Be fast guys. We are all coming here, every single one of us.
Drop this inside car, please.
Are you going inside with water? Go and keep the water inside the car. Look at them.
Please do quick. I think it's 4 minutes for them to go break.
Wow.
Yeah,
be fast though. Let's enter
drop
first
it there.
before
Drop
they
it
close.
there. Drop it on that seat and come here.
Mommy, enter. Jono. Ciao. Your hand. My kitty pie. Where are they? Where are they? Oh, see them here. Guys, this is the one I selected, not we. Hobby. Hobby was looking at the price, but me, I'm looking at the quality. I'm looking at the quality. This is exactly what I want in my kitchen. Okay. Even though the other one served for a long time and it's at cheaper price, so we bought that one at Lidl, but this one right here, I love it. I'm in love already. So he has gone to call them so that they can come and give it to me. I love it. I love it. Look at how it's standing. I can imagine this on my kitchen counter. My kitchen counter table. I can imagine it. It's pricey though, but I love it. You know, I love it. They have other stuff here. Hi, princess.
Hello.
Hello.
Questo ce l'hai in cartone?
Hello, hubby. Are you happy that you are spending your money? It's my husband. He said no. Because get your wife what she wants. Imagine. I beg you. He was pointing at this one. 39.99, which is approximately 40 euros. So he was like, as soon as we landed here, he started pointing at this one. Because he doesn't want to spend a lot on blender. But this is what I want. Besides this one, the cup is smaller. It's even smaller than the one I had. So I want something bigger. Yes. And by the way, this is where we bought our dryer. They still have a lot of them here. A lot. Go and take caramel, and mommy go and take sweet.
Where are they going? Okay.
It's there.
Okay, reserve receipt there, my card.
My lord, the hen aga abahe. Okay. Ooh. Joshua, come and enter first. Ooh. Ooh, swala. Guys, we stopped at the park so that the kids can have a little bit of fun before we go back home. And they are so excited. They even came out with their water bottle. Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So we are going to spend some time here, maybe 10 to 20. And then we'll go back upstairs. Our house is just, I'm just standing here looking at our building. So the park is very close to us. For those of you that have been watching me for a long time, you can already tell, right? So yeah, it's not far from our house. And that's my hubby over there. He went to drop something in the car, his bag. He was like, why did I even come here with my bag? I don't need it. And by the way, guys, that's my blender over there. I want to unbox it here. I was coming here hoping that everywhere is empty. There's a place I was, you know, hoping that it's going to be free and empty so I can sit and unbox it there instead of doing it upstairs. And that's over there, that table over there. but people are currently there, and I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. And it's like they are going. Oh, let me exercise a little patience. Your water, no, you can share with Favor. We didn't come out with your own water, mommy. You can share with Favor. Hey, they are going out. I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. Oh. They should do fast and go. Let me go there and unbox my. Hey, they are going. They are going. Let me go before another set of people will come and occupy the space. That's my blender, my new blender, Nutri Bullet. Oh, and it has other this thing. I hope these two are inside though, because this is the only one I saw in the supermarket. You guys obviously saw that, but I'm seeing that it has extra two here. So let's go and open it up and see what we have inside. Wow.
Unbox this one.
I should unbox those ones. They are already unboxed. They can already see them, so no need unboxing them again. No, I'm going to clear that place. I want you to stand here and record me, please. Thank you. What am I even going to use to clean it? Guys, please, you guys will have to manage it like that, okay? So I hope this thing is not distracting those bottles. All right, guys, let's do the unboxing here. I don't want to carry it upstairs, although I would have done it upstairs if we hadn't come here. But since we are here, I thought I should carry it over here so that we can do the unboxing here. And I'm so excited for this. Why is it that whenever you buy a new stuff, you feel so excited? I hope my mic is still working. All right. Because this mic has disgraced me a number of times. So this is the manual. Can they see me? Okay. This is the manual. We are not here for the manual. Oh, wow. It actually came with 2 extra blenders. 2. Whoa. My Lord, you can come close and show it to them. Whoa. Here, guys. You see that? And this other one. This one has cup. I mean, it has a handle here. Wow. I love it. I am loving it. My old one doesn't have extra blenders. It came with only 1 cup or extra cups. I don't know what I'm saying. And these are the covers, one for this and one for the other one. See the inside of this one. Ooh. All right, let's go ahead and open. Wow, look guys. Okay, so we have this one to push down your item in the blender. Okay, this is amazing. Wow. This is the machine, Nutri Bullets. That's it. Wow. And finally, what we have in the box, guys, we have the cup. I love the size of this cup. Like, I want to be cooking all day, all night now. This is really beautiful, guys. I love it. I hope you guys can hear me, because the people that were staying here before, they are the people that were actually mowing the lawn, which I showed you guys in the morning. They are keeping our environment clean, which is amazing. So guys, I'm going to pack up everything and then put them back in the carton. That's it for the buying, for the shopping and unboxing of my new blender. I love it. And if you have this type of blender in your kitchen, please let me know. Did I make the right choice? I want to know. And how long has yours lasted for you? Because I'm so excited for this. Hey, but I don't need it now. I don't need it anymore. After all, we are still going to be throwing the pack away. So that is it, guys. That's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini shopping and unboxing video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And it's a wrap. Bye, guys. Cameraman, cut Zen.